How can you become a millionaire? One of the things which is important is to understand is why you want to be a millionaire. What is important about being a millionaire? Is being a millionaire about driving a fancy car? Is it about living in a different neighborhood? Is it about attracting somebody into your life? Is it about having a feeling of financial security? Or is it, wanting to retire and not have to go to work anymore? Right? So let's get clear about, it's important that you get clear about what becoming a millionaire means to you. This understanding helps you to then focus your visualizations, focus your attention in a way that supports the things that are important to you. So for instance, if somebody in my family is having has a serious illness and they need an operation, well then becoming a millionaire in order to pay for that operation and perhaps the health issues or the medicines that will be required after the operation would be a hugely motivating thing for me to do, right? A person would feel highly motivated in that case. So if you find a reason, a why do you want to be a millionaire? What will being a millionaire, how will you benefit? What will it bring to you? What benefits will you get out of it? Will help you understand and get clear about the types of visualizations that will be valuable for you to focus on. Secondly, you can start looking at the different ways to get there, right? You can make a list on a board or on a piece of paper saying, what would I need to do to become a millionaire? Because there are many ways to do it. You can start a company, right? You can win the lottery. You can marry somebody who's got a lot of money. These are just some that come to mind. Now, think of the one or choose the one or ones out of your list which you feel most aligned with. I don't recommend that you go and do something that's a criminal offense. You don't really want to go into jail because everything has trade-offs. So you want to look at things that really align with you as an individual. And as you go through that list, then say, okay, this is something that I can do. So perhaps, you choose to start your own company. If you start your own company or look for a different job or a new career path, these are all ways to become a millionaire. Once you're clear about the kind of way, the solution or the process that you're going to use to get there, then it's important to get clear for yourself about how much you believe that you can actually get there and in how much time. Is it something that will take you 1 year, 2 years, 10 years? Because the closer you are, the closer your belief is to your desire, to your goal, the faster you can get there. But if your goal is very far, if the millionaire goal is very far away from your belief of becoming a millionaire, it's going to take you a while to get there. Finally, you want to take action towards the chosen strategy or the chosen route that you've decided. You want to continue to focus on that and continue to move towards it by taking small actions every day. One of the best pieces of advice I got from my father was just do the job today. Whatever I can do today, I can do. Because these little bits of work, these todays add up to a huge amount of results over the course of a month, a year, or several years. And entrepreneurs or people who started businesses or achieved positions in government or achieved high-paying roles or CEOs, they did work every single day, and that provided them with this momentum that got them to where they wanted to be. So becoming a millionaire, there are many ways to go, but any way you choose, and if it is robbing a bank, it still requires a lot of practice, patience, planning, right? And even after that, you still have to lay low. So doing something which is going to generate a quick return is much more likely if you take steps every single day, create that momentum toward it, create that goal, and have a belief that's aligned or believable for you. The more believable it is, the easier it will be for you to get there, and the less time you'll need to get to accomplishing that goal. So good luck.
If you would like to watch more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel below. Once again, my name is Stephen Dobos, and you can download a free centering exercise. The information is in the description box below.